You, the people of Afghanistan, defeated two empires in history, England and the Soviet Union. It is a great honor for the people of Afghanistan. Unfortunately, there is a belief that exists that the people of Afghanistan win in military struggle, but fail in politics and cannot form a national government. Our demand from the officials of jihad and the sincere of this country is that they transcend themselves and refute the belief that if Afghans are brave in war, they are also brave in politics. This must be proven. It cannot be proven unless they transcend themselves, value the people, value the opinions of the people, value the freedom of the people, and value the choices of the people.